This video will show you how to create a Word document for the when, where and how of planting seeds. Firstly, open up a Word document either by clicking on the icon or typing in Word in your search bar. Once the Word document is open, click Blank Document to have a fresh document. Now I've prepared some information before just to make this a bit faster. I will paste it in here. You can present your information in any way you like. Here I have three versions. There's a table version that looks like this, with the when, where and how down the side and the information across. The table that looks like this, with the when, where and how across the top. The same information is presented, just below here like that. And then the third version I have here is without a table. It's just pasted in sentences just across the page like that. You can choose how you present your information. Make sure if you're making a mini booklet that you have shorter chunks of information so that you can cut it up and it will fit on your small pages. To make a table, put your cursor somewhere on the page, click Insert, Table, and then you can decide how many rows and columns that you need, going across and going down, like this. Once you've finished, you can save by clicking File, Save, give it a name, and then save. If you would like to print, File, Print, and make sure you've got the right printer here and hit print. It should send to the printer. Good luck.